Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hafiz Iskandar bin Ismail, and I will start our group presentation, which is about flight simulator from the ECA group. So I'll start with the introduction. The ECA group is well known for its robotic, automated system, simulation, and industrial process expertise. It has been producing a comprehensive creative technology solution to conduct challenging operation in hostile or restricted conditions in 1936. Its products are employed by a demanding multinational client that demands the greatest level of safety and efficiency, primarily in the defense, maritime, aerospace, simulation, energy, and industrial equipment sectors. ECA Group's headquarters is located in Toulon, France. Since 1936, ECA Group has been producing comprehensive revolutionary technology solutions to conduct challenging tasks in hazardous or restricted conditions. They are competent in robotics, automated system, simulation, and condition. Their competence in robotics, automated system, simulation, and industrial process is well known. They create and provide cutting-edge robotics and autonomous systems, simulators, industrial equipment, and engineering services for aerospace, defense, and civil application. Excel, a major high-tech industrial champion specializing in cutting-edge robotic, marine navigation, aerospace, and photonic technologies, was formed in 2022 when the ECA Group merged with IXBlue. ECA Group developed and manufacture robotic and intelligence system for both civil and military application. Their goods and services are designed to carry out complicated tasks in hazardous or constrained conditions. They provide aerospace, defense, and civil application, as well as maritime solution for oil and gas, subsea, and shipyards. Their goal is to deliver new technical solutions to various sectors in order to increase safety and efficiency. So that's all from me. I will pass the next part for the next presentator, which is Arif.
Thank you, Hafiz. My name is Muhammad Arif Ibn Yusuf, and I will continue our group presentation.
5 minutes later.
First, my part is duration of development concept hardware and software for use the product. Our group choose AR for flight simulator. First product is flight training device. Features is for flight training device is type specific cockpit, reproduction character of ECA Group flight training device, giving student most realistic training experience. Benefit: it can get certification for training and have many simulated aircraft. And this product use hardware of the cockpit of the flight training device, offer third-dimensional physical environment that replicate the actual cockpit. The software is simulated software brain behind the successful flight simulator used for this flight training device. All craft system static and dynamic performance, complete model and development complex or OEM data package. The second product is flight management system trainer. The features of this product is ECA Group flight management system trainer have a panel configuration that is optimized for learning per flight and in-flight operating. It can save 50% of training flight simulator timetable, or it can use like takeoff and benefit, departure phase, normal, abnormal, and emergency simulation of all flight phase. Second is you utilize the client navigation database. If you want to log and next time you log in, you can still get the same database. The third one is uses in training. This flight management system trainer used in any training system in the world. The fourth is have variant aircraft like a Boeing, Airbus, and Bombardier. The third is software. This system training only has software, don't have hardware. This system training has software brain behind the successful flight simulator behind training tool. All crash systems, static and dynamic performance completely modeled and developed in complex or OEM data package. But the last one is touchscreen trainer. First, the features of touchscreen trainer is pre-flight technique, the surface operating, the takeoff and following touchdown, phase of takeoff, departure, regular emergency, the maneuver made in flight, normal and normal emergency instrument approach and landing. Any phase of flight including routine, unusual, emergency for this procedure. Next one is benefit for touchscreen flight training. First is training credit. It can get certification also, and just have two manufacturers aircraft, Boeing and Airbus. The hardware of the cockpit training device offer three-dimensional physical environment that really replicate the actual cockpit. The platform for the touchscreen trainer offer both touchscreen and physical reproduction. And the software is the summation of software is a brain behind the successful simulator training. All aircraft system static dynamic performance completely modeled and developed in Copland the OEM package. ECA Group also has support for customer of flight simulator. ECA Group offer effective assistance to different customer through the product and lifestyle. They promise high-level device available to over 99% thanks to maintenance focused design. Also, each flight simulator training comes with comprehensive document that guaranteeing client can use, maintain, and troubleshoot the device in order to provide comprehensive solution, and maintenance is given to on-site installation. Any flight simulator train device may get remote assistance which is incur problem solving through equipment lifespan. The simulator maintain staff not necessary to install, update or upgrade exception for necessary for hardware or firmware operator instead of update and upgrade or install remotely. Thank you. That's all from me. I will pass to next presenter Muhammad Hakimi. That's all from me.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Hakim Abuazi. I would like to explain about the IT function in Flight Simulator. First is hardware. Hardware is a physical element that imitate the switch and gadget in the real aircraft cockpit. Things like the control panel, pedal, throttle, switch, and button fall under the category. The computer system of the simulator is coupled to this physical element. The second point is computer system. Computer system in the simulator run a specialist software that the model the flight dynamic system and environment of the aircraft. It's a computer that analyze the aspect of the flight physics, including as aerodynamic, engine performance, environment factor, and more. The computer system com- convert with the system as well. Okay, that's all from me. I will pass to the Daniel for the continue.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Daniel and I'm going to continue with how does a flight simulator function. So number 3 is the visual system created on a flight simulator. So to create the visual system is to create a realistic visual depiction of simulated flight environment. So what it means that on this flight simulator they want to create the cleanest or the truest representation of the outside world to the pilot in training. So usually they use this visual system on a projector using virtual reality headset or a high resolution screen to depict the scenario. So the visual system creates a computer-generated visual that represents the outside environment, including scenes from other places such as runway, airports, and weather. So the next is an instructor station to supervise, typically present to supervise and manage the simulator. It enables an instructor or operator to alter the flight parameters, maybe add some problems or add an emergencies, and provide the student pilot with feedbacks. The supervisor can also create alternative scenarios from their station. So to change the scenario, they can do it through the simulation numerous parameters that are available on the flight simulator. So we continue with the next one, which is the cockpit and instrument replication. So flight simulator make every effort to correctly reproduce the cockpit design and control of the aircraft they model. So they have switches, knobs, lever, and instrument display. Pilots can acquire accustomed to the location and use of the control thanks to the physical layout and ergonomics of the cockpit. So this function so that the pilot in training can know where the buttons, all the knobs are located, so that when in real life they're already well versed on their location. So they may be displayed on conventional analog gauge or cutting edge digital display that resemble the actual instrument panel of the aircraft. So the last one is the simulator flight control, which include the yoke or control column, the rudder pedal, and the throttle lever. They are made to react realistically to pilot inputs. So the simulator software receives the control input from the pilot. They process them in accordance with the flight dynamics and control rules of the aircraft. And then they communicate back the result to the pilot so that it can be evaluated. So that is all from me. I'm going to pass to the next presenter, Izul.
Thank you, Daniel. My name is Izul and I will continue with the conclusion. Flight simulator have become an indispensable tool in aviation training, research and entertainment. With advancement in technology, flight simulators have evolved to offer increasingly realistic and immersive experience.
Man flex, SAS runway, Autos rasten blue.
Check. Thrust set.
After considering the numerous benefits and application of flight simulator, it is clear that they have revolutionized the way pilots are trained, enhance aviation safety, and provide an accessible platform for aviation.
Meanwhile,
This project remind me to the tragedy that happened in last 9 years, which we had lost 2 airplanes in 1 year. Remember MH370 that lost while on the way to Beijing and still be mystery until today. Meanwhile, MH17 got shot by the pro-Russian army in East Ukraine while on their way to Kuala Lumpur from Amsterdam. Because of this tragedy, Netherlands government built a national monument to remember MH17 that carried majority of their dividend. That's all from me. Thanks for watching and goodbye. Assalamualaikum.
Saya ulah kepada bapa engkau